Well, well, I've had depression since 2000, early 2000.
Mm.
So, medyo matagal ko na rin siyang pinagdadaanan. And siguro itong kanta na to, this serves as a reminder to all of us na it may be dark sometimes,
Mhm.
pero it will pass.
Mm.
We just don't know kung gaano katagal yung darkness na yun. Pero minsan kasi kapag nandun tayo sa darkness na yun, feeling natin wala na tayong makakapitan. Meron at meron. It can be your art, it can be writing, it can be a person,
Mhm.
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 it can be yourself. Alam mo yun?
Yeah, yeah.
And so I hope that at least through this song, kahit paano, may reminder lang sa kanila na, hey, kapit lang. Kung di ba sinasabi natin, take it one day at a time. Sometimes that's too much pa
Yeah.
rin. So,
Yeah.
sige, kung 5 minutes at a time lang kaya mo, sige lang. As long as you keep moving forward, kahit gaano kabagal, sige lang. Just, it's okay to even pause. Diba?
Yeah.
But, sige lang. Okay lang yun. Lalampas at lalampas ka rin dun sa darkness na yun.